while back, I'd written an app primarily focused at water-only cutting for doing a bunch of rectangles, and did a slight little update on that recently. So if you want to test out this app, you can go to our ikulu.wordjet.com wiki page. And when you're at the main page up here in this search box, you can just start typing in IGEMS. You should see IGEMS at the top of the list there. Click on that. Brings you to my IGEMS wiki page, and scroll down. In section 9, various apps, you can go down to the water-only rectangles app, LSP file you can download, a little description of where this gets copied to, optional image if you want to download that for your toolbar, where that gets copied to. So once you got the file installed, start up, give a little warning here, that's going to delete everything. You can either specify the sheet size that you want to put these rectangles on, or if you know how many parts you want, you can specify rows and columns, and then it'll tell you the minimum sheet size that would be required. Take a look at this first option here. So there's our X and Y dimensions for our rectangles. We'll do it on a 96 by 48 sheet of material. Sheet border, how close we want to get to the edge of the sheet. Over travel, it'll cut beyond each row and column a little bit, so you end up with nice sharp corners, width of your kerf. And then generally probably want to center it on the sheet to make it easier to line it up. And then this is a new button here, chain cut. If you have this turned on, it'll do one pierce and do all the rows and columns. Depending on the speed you're cutting and the acceleration of your machine, might be a little bit faster. If you turn that off, be more pierces, which would be more wear and tear on your needle and seat, so you can decide which one's best for you. We'll do it with the chain cut first. And then it'll go through two different layouts, rotating that part 90 degrees to see which one's going to give you the better yield. Draw a rectangle around which one gives you the better yield. And then you can go to your cam tab, and then quick. And we got this set to slit, connect to part. Click on single, since this is just one cut, or you can just do multi, and then click on that line there, hit enter, and close. Now it doesn't look like it, but there is actually a toolpath on there. I'm not quite sure why my pink line is showing up and the red isn't, but you can go to your order button, click on that line, hit enter. It's going to put the 0 point there. And then we can go to process and preview it. So one pierce, it's going to do all that. And then the other option is turning that chain cut off. So we'll turn that off. And again, back to cam tab. So now at the end of each of these, we'll be shutting the jet off. Quick, do our multi again, drag a box around there, hit enter, close, and then order, click on the toolpath, hit enter, puts the 0 point at the corner of the part. And if we zoom in, so here it's going to turn off, wrap it to this point here, turn the jet back on, go up and down the columns. At the end of here, we'll keep the jet on. So that's that app. If you have any questions or comments on that, let me know. Thanks.